Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering what Discord needs: a photo ID that clearly shows your legal name and birth date. Once done, open Discord and navigate to user settings, then My Account. Do not try random edits. Make sure your account email is active because Discord will use it. Next, prepare to contact Trust and Safety. Include a short explanation and attach the ID photo. This saves time and avoids back and forth. You want the support team to verify age quickly and accurately. You now fill out the Trust and Safety form. Choose the option about age or account verification and enter your exact username and tag so they find your record. Explain briefly why you need the change and state that you've attached a photo ID. Concise messages speed up review. Then upload the ID photo and, if helpful, a screenshot of your account page showing the error message. Once submitted, expect an automated receipt and a reply in a few days. Check your email regularly for follow-ups. You finish by monitoring replies and responding quickly to any extra requests for clearer ID photos or form details. If Discord rejects the submission, make sure the image is sharp, the birth date is legible, and non-essential data is redacted. Then resubmit with a brief note pointing out improvements. If the process stalls, you can ask for escalation or, as a last resort, create a new account with the correct DOB. Just transfer any data you legally can. Remember,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.